Today we're going to be making a delicious topside of beef with peppercorn and herb crust. Here's what we need. This recipe is super simple and it's a great way of using up a joint of beef that you might have in the freezer and you don't know what to do with. First, let's make a quick marinade. Right, now we just generously cover the beef, add the onions, and it's in the oven. Let's take those onions out for now, add the beef stock, and it's back in for 50 minutes. Now let's let the meat rest, it'll make all the difference. That smells amazing. If you have any leftovers, this makes for a cracking sandwich too. Serve with seasonal roasted veg, and there you have it.
Make it once, use it twice. For more Scotch beef and Scotch lamb PGI recipes, visit scotchkitchen.com.